JGT yard in Homestead. We're going to be checking out bus 6718. I believe it's a 10283. We'll confirm it once we get inside. Oh. Okay, here's the VIN tag on it. 1987 10283. Here's the interior. This bus was running earlier this year. It's now been retired and replaced. Somebody's been doing a number of these windows. But again, a good running coach. This one is not being marketed yet like the rest, but it's available. All reasonable offers will be considered. Got some mismatched seats. Straight 40-footer. Man, it's hot this here. Inside this bus. Again, at the driver's area. Broken windows, which we can replace. Previous fleet in 4987-15, who knows from where. Okay, I guess it did some port shuttle work recently. Take a look at the back. Okay. At what time it was operated by OST, American Sightseeing Tours. Doing business as Coach USA, Miami, Florida. Now we know it's past. Part of it at least. That's a 6392. Or is it? No. 8V71 too. 8V71. Nice. Nice. Close it. Okay. Let's look at the side again. Couple of broken windows. Boy, buses are rock magnets, are they? People just love to throw rocks at them, especially when they sit. Look at the front end. JGT 6718.